Good day sa akong mga gwapo o gwapa nga mga learners. Kumusta naman mo? I hope that you are okay. So this time, we will be talking about Module 1, Personality Development. So I am here tasked to do Session 1, which is the values and skills. Okay? So, before we're going to talk about values and skills, let's get to know this kawikaan. So please read together with me. Mas mabuting pinag-isipan ang kinabukasan habang ikaw ay nasa kasalukuyan. What does it mean? Unsay buot pasabot ani nga kawikaan? About nganong kinahanglan man ta magunahuna sa atong future samtang kita naa sa pagkakaron. Why do we need to do that? Now, thinking about your possible answer, you could put that one on the comment section below. But before we're going to get to know of this kawikaan, let's get to the main objectives for this class. First is we have to demonstrate greater understanding of oneself. Dapat masabtan nato kung kinsa ta. Next is describe oneself according to interest, hobbies, talents, skills, personal preferences, character, traits, and emotion. Dapat may bawaan nato kung sa atong mga ganahan, kung sa atong mga talents nga nasa atong kaugalingon, mga skills, kung sa mga personal preferences nato mao na dili nato na mahibawaan. Next is evaluate one's worth in terms of values and character. I-evaluate nato ang atong kaugalingon, atong hinuklugan kung ang values ba nga naa nato is okay na ba or kinahanglan pa ba i-improve. Ang character that we possess is nabay kinahanglan nga i-furnish, nabay kinahanglan nga usbon or nabay kinahanglan sad siya nga dungagan para mas mapanindot pa nato ang atong kaugalingon. Okay, those are the objectives. Next is before we're going to go to the lesson proper, I want you to answer the learner's reflection nga makita sa sinugdanan sa inyong module. Just look at that one and get your modules because I'm nahatag naman ako ang modules tanawa lang ito and you answer this learner's reflection. So na mga checklist there. Always remember nga ang learner's reflection dili ni siya test but rather tamdanan ra ni siya kung asa ra kutob ang inyong nakatunan aning lesson o unsay angay ninyong makatunan pa aning lesson. So that's the purpose of the learner's reflection. Okay? Look at the samples and those samples nara na sa inyong modules. Please answer that one. Now let's proceed. Values, beliefs, and qualities. What are examples of values, beliefs, and qualities? Let's get to know those. Now, you are going to ask yourself, who is your role model? Why, by thinking about your role model, you will think about the values, the qualities, and skills that they possess. Okay, you might be thinking of a doctor who is committed. You might be thinking of a teacher who is passionate to his or her work. You might be thinking of a traffic enforcer which is very hardworking. Or you might be thinking of a cashier or kanang tigdawat sa kwarta kung naay mo palit, which is very honest. Now, with those values they possess is, our guide as to why we choose them as our role model because they have those type of values. Now, question, would these values have a great connection as to what they have become? Katong values nga naa sila, naa ba siya'y connection kung asa sila karon? Kung unsa ilang nakabot sa ilang kinabuhi? The answer is yes. Okay? That's your connection. Cause ang usa ka doctor dapat siya committed para mas mapanindot pa iyang pagserbisyo sa iyang mga pasyente, di ba? ang usa ka as teacher kinahanglan passionate siya sa pag-deliver sa iyang lesson pagpasabot sa mga estudyante sa angay nilang makatunan so sa eskwelahan. Okay? Ang usa ka traffic enforcer kinahanglan jud siya mukayod, kinahanglan jud siya naay hard working ability siyang kaugalingon para malikay ang ang mga aksidente sa kadalanan ug ang iyang pamilya pud masuportaan pud niya. Ang usa ka cashier kinahanglan honest siya para maganahan pud ang iyang manager sa iyang pagpanarbaho or maganahan pud ang iyang employer kay tungod kay honest lagi siya. Okay? So the values and beliefs that we possess serves as the foundation for choices we make, jobs we are interested in, and how we behave with our work and with the people around us. So ang pakig mingle nato sa atong isig katawo has the desirable values and beliefs that we have deep inside. Okay? Now, since you already know some of the values, some of the qualities that a person should possess, we're going to answer written assignment 1.1, examples of values, beliefs, and desirable qualities. Okay? So this is the actual image of exercise 1.1. So you have there the list of values and qualities nga naa sa usa ka tawo: acceptance, accomplishment, ambitiousness, attentiveness, caring, etc., etc. And you will weigh all of those inyong timbangon. Naa ba na sa imong kaugalingon? Naa ba na sa imong pamilya or sa imong mga amigo or amiga or katong mga trabahante naa ba na sa inyong mga manager or naa ba na sa inyong employer? O you weigh that one. You put an X, okay? If naa. Good. Nakuha ra? So that is how you answer activity 1.1, examples of values, beliefs, and desirable qualities. Now, if you are done answering activity 1.1, let's go to this. If you compare your activity with your classmate, tendency lahi-lahi, di ba? Nganong lahi-lahi siya? Because we human beings are not all the same. We are different. Lahi-lahi ang atong panghuna-huna, lahi-lahi atong opinion, lahi-lahi ang atong pagpangagpas sa usa ka storya. Okay? So we are not all the same. We are all different. And with that difference, we could say that we are all unique. And with that uniqueness, we are all different, and that's beautiful. Ay mo kahibong nga, lahi-lahi mo, di mo mingon nga, ay bati, ay lahi-lahi man tang mga tao. You should say, you should think of the beauty of that difference. Why? Because kung parehas tatanan, boring ang pagpuyo sa kalibutan, di ba? Kay parehas atong linhukan, parehas atong pangunahuna. So parehas, walay kalahian ba? That's why God designed us to be all different, because para naay nindot, naay spice ba, naay nindot nga atong pagpangagpas sa usa ka tawo kay lahi siya, ana siya ani pero ako wala. And that's what makes us go to that person and ask for help for that person kay kaybaw siya nya ikaw di makakaybaw. So naay sociability nga mahitabo ba, naay sa kung grupo mo naay teamwork, kung amigo-amiga mo naay friendship, di ba? Because of that difference that we have. Okay. Now next, since you already know the values nga dapat ma-possess nimo, this time we're going to talk about skills and qualities of a good worker. Nganong magtabi man ta sa usa ka trabahante? Because we as implementers and the one who designed these life skills modules, think about you to become a worker someday, to become an employee someday, or to become the owner of your business someday. You get it? And since we are thinking about you of that one, tendency, we will be imparting you skills and qualities nga kinahanglan jud ninyo ma-brought out sa inyong kinabuhi. So first, some of those skills sa usa ka trabahante is honesty. Dapat honest jud ang usa ka trabahante. Next is creative ang usa ka trabahante. Next is dapat hardworking ang usa ka trabahante, dili magtinapulan. And next is responsable ang usa ka trabahante. Dili siya magsigpangutana, bisan gi-instruct ka na siya, mobalik gyapon siya magpangutana, dapat responsable siya. One instruction, then follow and do that one. Okay? Mauna, those are some of the examples, and this one also, courteousness, pagkamagalang, that is very important sa usa ka trabahante nga kinahanglan iya jung i-treat ang mga iyang kauban sa trabaho gang iyang manager or employer sa sakto nga pamaagi. Okay, those are examples of some skills nga kinahanglan ma-possess sa usa ka trabahante. So this time you are going to answer written assignment 1.2, my skills and qualities. So mao ni ang example sa my skills and qualities nga activity. So you should answer this one and submit this one to me on the retrieval of your module on this coming Friday. Now, this time we're going to have a short activity. Let's compare which of these two pictures have the desirable qualities of a worker. So picture A, look at picture A, picture B. So I want you to choose which of these two pictures has the desirable values and skill. I'll give you 1 minute to 1 second to think about that one, and please agree with me, it's picture B, right? Who has the desirable values and skills. Next, picture A, a group of workers doing teamwork. Picture B, a group of workers nga blaming of some mistakes that once committed. So if you agree with me, I would choose picture A as workers showing desirable values and skills. Next, picture A, kana siya nangupit sa halin sa tindahan. Picture B, mao na siya giuli sa usa ka trabahante ang nataga ka kwarta sa usa ka tiguang. And please agree with me, I think it's picture B. Dili na siya malalis pa. Picture B has the desirable values and skill na possess na aniya. Okay? Now, since you already know some skills and qualities nga kinahanglan ma-possess sa usa ka worker, this time you are going to answer session 1 writing space values, qualities and skill. So mao ni ang noun sa session 1. Now, mao ninyong buhaton ha. Since you already know the values, since you already know the qualities and skills nga dapat inyong ma-acquire sa inyong kaugalingon para ma-relay ma-show ninyo sa inyong panimalay, sa inyong kuyog inyong mga amiga or sa inyong pagpanarbaho puhon, is what diri ang inyong mga nakatunan sa writing space. Okay? 2 to 3 paragraphs will do about that one. Okay? I will expect a better answer for this. So next, let's track your outputs. Mana mo sa 1.1, mana mo sa 1.2, manapon mo sa session 1, writing space, values and qualities. And for that one, I'll give you a round of applause for doing your work. So congratulations. So to end, I just want to say God bless you all and stay safe. Wait for your discussion on session 2. Another ALS teacher is assigned to deliver that one. So wait for that, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.